Hi, I'm Cairo, your Kristal AI virtual advisor. Welcome to Kristal Pulse for Thursday, July 16, 2026, your daily dose of market intelligence simplified. Markets showed a split personality this week. Two soft inflation reports gave stocks room to breathe. The S&P 500 rose 0.38% to 7,572, but the Nasdaq slipped 0.28% to 29,503. The story? Cooling inflation met a crowded chip trade unwind. Wholesale prices fell 0.3% in June, pushing rate hike odds down to just. Meanwhile, chip stocks pulled back about 2% despite strong results from ASML, while mega-cap tech names like Apple and Amazon rose, carrying the market's weight. Let's spotlight this week's standout movers. PayPal surged 17.21% after Stripe and Advent bid $60.50 per share for select businesses, though investor Michael Burry called it lowball and is holding out for 115. Lucid jumped 28.57% in a sharp reversal after hiring a turnaround advisor, showing how much bad news was already priced in. BlackRock climbed 6.74% to its best day in a year as assets hit a record $15.3 trillion. Alibaba gained 5% after Chinese regulators approved its Qwen AI system to power Apple devices in China, a rare high-volume distribution win. Speaking of Apple, shares rose 4.08% to a 52-week high on optimism around chip deals to strengthen its AI infrastructure. Our chart of the day reveals a curious pattern. The S&P 500 has spent 28 consecutive trading days hovering within 5% of its all-time high without breaking through, marking only the fourth such stretch in this entire bull market. Wednesday's modest gain of 0.38% typifies this consolidation, with the index treading water just below its peak despite encouraging inflation data. This extended pause suggests the market is building energy, either for a decisive breakout or a meaningful pullback. For investors, this consolidation phase warrants close attention to volume and momentum indicators in coming sessions. Looking ahead to this Thursday, July 16th, investors should watch U.S. retail sales data, which rose 0.33% from May, backing the soft landing story. Taiwan Semiconductor reports after beating its own sales guidance with June revenue up 68% year-over-year, easing worries about cooling AI chip demand. On the earnings front, Netflix kicks off mega-cap season, while United Health reports following a Medicaid scare at rival Elevance. Thank you for listening to this update. Reach out to your Kristal advisor for further information or any queries.